ka North Eastern Regional Institute of Education NCRT Umiam mentang sing kalapan ko no tamasa ki hybrid balai center kabala tip kom ka nurturing young minds for the 21st century learning skills kabala sedang nado ka santarik hadu nyotarik leber ajabsan belawan ro panchim benta shidham da kom balai spangut ki khina puli na kaleng ki jala ka than chatei la mingi kari India ha katei ki lai sngi lenter la Pynlong ru ye ki program ba pher kham tam ki jihikai ban phrang jingstad ke ki Khynnah katkum ka jingstad ka ba mynta badarin sad ki Khynnah puli komno ban pen khlani ka bor par khat pradang ka rukom krani ki brio ban pen janai ki sap karpang ba ki Khynnah ki dan nadu ka sap le kai sap shna drodur bat ki we ban ya ringkat ru ban ka National Education Policy 2020 katai ka tamasa ka ple jingmut kumno ban hikai ye ki Khynnah katkum ka juk ba mynta nadu ka rukam perkhan bat ban weng ye ki jing e bala tip ha ka khti nong wei kum ka critical thinking and problem solving, scientific inquiry and mathematical reasoning, cognitive learning and adaptability, innovation and creativity, communication and public speaking, inclusion, collaboration and social awareness, cultural and artistic expression, design thinking and product innovation, physical well-being and resilience, time and stress management, digital literacy and media communication bat kiwe. Habakran hakatai kasngi nakalyang ka Dr. Floridi Dakhar, Principal ke NERIE kalapan pau ka jingso komen bakatai ka tamasa klalong ka job na ka jingshim benta shirham jangki lai spangut ki Khynnah school ka than chatei la mingi kham tampan aila di Khynnah banyo ya ka jingstad lambat ka jingsham ha ka rukam ka bakamen katkum ka jingstad ka mynta baki Khynnah kin sngotanat komno ban puli ban khlan ka perkhat perdan katu kani ki Khynnah ki lapan pauru ba kani kadai ka sin maningkong ba ki yolat mani shimmenta kumha katai ka tamasa ban ailat yaki ban pen yaki sap ba ki dan ha ki lan ba pher kham ba ki yolat kumno bandang pen yar bat pen he ya ke perkhat bat ka puli ka puthi namar ka jing puli kam dei tang ka kam puli kot henry ki bon ki benta ban penjanai ya ke jingstad bat kham tam ban phrang nadu ka kerta ka badang ren
support, please support them. Yes. Okay, the first bout
is let him try.
First of all, my name is Chirag Sharma. I am from Happy Child High School from Guwahati. The overall experience was very nice. Like I enjoyed a lot in this camp or workshop. I came to know across many things, new things. I explored new things and make new friends also. It was quite a very good experience. We enjoyed a lot. Like after the workshop also we made new friends. We used to talk in the park and all. So it was very good.
My name is Kumari and I'm from Meghalaya. Overall, it was a very good experience. I've learned a lot of things. I've learned sign language, fine arts, science, maths, and many more things, which I'm sure will help me in the future. And I'm also very happy that I have made many friends, which will be a very memorable experience for me. So overall, it was a very good festival, and I would like NERIE to hold this festival every year. Thank you.
Okay, so hi, my name is Arpita Ram. I study in class 8 and I am a student of Police Welfare School. So I am here to represent Bambusa Library, Teju, Arunachal Pradesh. First of all, thanks to Dr. Melissa ma'am who gave me this chance to attend this wonderful program. So at first when I came here, I didn't know what's happening and what is going to happen. So after some time, we went to different stalls and we experienced very unique and different skills. Like we learned many skills, and this experience was really unique. Like we got to learn sign language. Now I can remember all the alphabets in sign language, and it was very nice. And at our place we don't get this type of opportunities, like we don't get to attend this type of programs. So I feel really lucky that I got this opportunity.
Hello, I'm Florette G. Dakar, Principal of the Northeast Regional Institute of Education, Pynlong, a constituent unit of the NCERT. When the government of India came up with the slogan for Viksit Bharat, a thought came to me. What is it as the institute that we should do in order to be able to groom children, to nurture children? So from here, I tried to conceptualize on this, and what you can hear in the background, it's the songs which the children, they have written on their own, and I see a lot of creativity, I see a lot of innovation, I see a lot of joy, learning. The title of this program, as you know, is Nurturing Young Minds. So therefore, we have invited 300 schools children, and these children, they come from 4 states. In fact, we wanted all the children from all the 8 states to be here, but it was not possible. But anyway, we have a group now of 300 children, and all these children, for the past 3 days, they have been here with us, and they have learned many things. And the approach that we use is experiential learning. And based on the feedback that I received from many of the students, this is the change that students want in their learning process. And I hope that whatever they have learned from here, they will be able to go back and they will be able to bring changes also in the learning process. Thank you.